We'll be seeing the cut crease glam today.
Apply a generous amount of moisturizer and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Apply primer to seal the texture and pores. Take the foundation of your shade and dab it on your face with fingers, then use a brush to blend it out evenly. Use a concealer 1 or 2 shades lighter to conceal and highlight the under eyes, bridge of the nose, upper lips, chin, and forehead. Contour your cheeks to add dimension to your face and the jawline to make it look sharper. Also contour your nose. Spritz a makeup fixer for longevity. Apply highlighter on the highest points of your face like tip and bridge of the nose, cupid bows, cheekbone, and forehead. Fill your brows and brush it out with a spoolie. Take a matte concealer and carve your brows. Apply the same concealer all over your lids and blend it out evenly. Using a fluffy blending brush, apply a light pink shadow in the crease and blend it out towards the brows. Now with a tapered blending brush, take a deeper pink and apply it in the crease and blend it. A purple to deepen the crease. Cut the crease with a concealer using a flat brush until the outer corner of your eyeball. Use a light pink shimmer in the inner corners of your eyes and a magenta pink shimmer for the rest of your lid. Deepen the outer corners using purple to add depth and also fill the outer corner of your lower lash line and blend it out with a pink. Apply mascara. Apply lash glue to your falsies and wiggle it. Look at the drama that it adds. Adding white kohl to my waterline, mascara to my lower lashes, finishing the look with a creamy matte lipstick. And here it is, a cut crease glam.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.